I just got my hands on Myslf Le Parfum, the latest release from YSL. And I'm gonna give you my first impression and full breakdown of this newest release. Pop the box. First, let's check out the presentation, and this bottle here is sleek, it is also sophisticated, I would dare to say it's slightly sexy, and you get the iconic YSL logo directly in the middle. That said, it's nothing necessarily new about this presentation, but it does look pretty good. But enough about that, let's talk about how this thing smells, because that's what really matters. Listen, okay, on first spray, you get that orange blossom immediately, like it is boom in your face, and it comes off as something that's extremely warm and inviting, but this Myslf Le Parfum also has a lot going on. Okay, listen, there it is. So now that spicy black pepper is beginning to kick in, giving it this bad boy edge that you really didn't get in the original. But I'm not sure that that's a bad thing. Let's check out what the note breakdown on this one says. It says that it's orange blossom and warm woods. Immediately, again, I was hit with those orange blossom in the top here. It also says that black pepper and vanilla bourbon is there. So for me, that black pepper began to come in a little after that orange blossom. The orange blossom came in first, but I believe, yeah, it looks like the note breakdown has the black pepper as the mid and then the orange blossom as the top. But I got the orange blossom first, but then some of that black pepper began to come in. Again, for me, that black pepper adds this fiery kick to the fragrance, but it's not anything that's too wild or too bold or too rich that you couldn't really get away with wearing it. And then that vanilla bourbon here just adds this velvety twist, and it really just smooths things out a bit. Let me spray it on skin and see what I get. Now, I've had this on skin for about 15 minutes or so, and let me tell you, this thing is really coming together nicely. The orange blossom and pepper are still there, but I'm also getting this warmth that comes across really well here, and it's sensual, it's smooth, just like we mentioned, but we're also getting really some of that amber that's likely here in the base of this fragrance that, again, just adds this rich warmth to the overall composition. Personally, I don't see anything wrong with a bad boy fragrance with a sensual flair. Now here's the thing, YSL Myslf Le Parfum is a more intense take on the OG, and I would say that with this one, you get, well, a more intense take of the OG. It's meant to be deeper, more powerful, and, well, more risky or risque. Now I have to say that if you really enjoyed the original YSL Myslf, then you may not necessarily be blown away with this one, because it does, as I mentioned, provide a richer, deeper take on the original. And to me, although it's a bad boy sensual fragrance, it's not as easygoing or as crowd pleasing as the original. But to me, on skin, it provides this nice balance of warm, spicy, and sweet. Plus, it has this ambery scent trail that really just makes a statement. So, where should you wear YSL Myslf Le Parfum? I find this version to be, again, more edgy than you find in the original. So for me, it's better suited for date night, evening wear, or just some time out with the fellas kicking it and you want to smell like the man. That said, I don't really find that this is going to be one for the office, especially in the spring and or summer. However, as the temperatures begin to dip later on this year, depending on when you're watching this video, then this could be an alternative for you to use when you have something casual or you're rocking your cashmere sweater, something like that, just to give it that little more twist and edge to the overall feel of your outfit, boosting your overall confidence. I've said it once, I said it twice, and I'll say it thrice, or 3 times here. Warm, spicy, sensual, bad boy, edgy. That's what I get with this fragrance. And although it's a nice fragrance, I don't believe that this is going to be everyone's cup of tea. This does require a certain je ne sais quoi of a person to really enjoy this fragrance and say, hey, this is one that's going to be my road dog and be my wingman to kind of help me with my overall compliments and improving my confidence. If you want to make a statement and leave a lasting impression, then this one's for you. This one was $180. It's also a 2 ounce that comes in at 60 ml, and I believe that was $160. So This is on par with today's designer releases. So there you have it, my first takes on YSL Myslf Le Parfum. If you enjoyed this fragrance, let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then click here to see what happened when I picked up new fragrance releases with 1-star reviews.